So let's start by sketching in the exact plane from part design. I have drawn a circle with center at origin and fixed the radius as 35 mm. Now once the file is saved, I took the sketch on the main screen and created a pad of length 10 mm. With our base created, I am proceeding to create the body, and for that I am sketching two circles using part design again. I gave the radius of 35 mm to one of them and a slightly smaller one to the other. Then the two sketches are brought on top of the existing pad and a new pad is erected over the existing one to form the body. So now to add the groups, I created a cube from part and brought it into position while decreasing its breadth. The four edges that's penetrating the stand are then filleted to make them smoother. I am now forming an array to make 15 copies of this fillet that uniformly encompasses the base. Now to form the pattern, I created another array which uses the previous array as its components. The gap needs to be increased a bit, and yeah, there it is. Now all that remains is to perform the Boolean operation to get the desired groups. The body is selected first, followed by the array, and then a cut is made. So here's the final product. You can see that the groups are created more or less perfectly. And finally we have our groovy Penstand ready.